In this video I will show you guys how can you install PDF reader on your Android phone. First up, go to the Play Store app and here on the search bar you will need to type in PDF reader like that, and as you can see is the first one. Click on it and click on the install button. For now you need to wait a little bit for it to get all the resources needed, and after that you will just need to go and click on the open tab. And from here you will need to wait a little bit for it to loading. After that, well, as you can see, it has ads on it. So from here you can allow or don't allow. You will need to choose your language. After that, click on the open tab, and from here you can just start using it. So that's it guys. I hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.